Hey there! Glad to have you joining us. In this short video, we will explain and calculate how many solar panels can be safely connected in series to the Ecoflow PowerOcean. We also make a distinction between normal and cold climate areas. On the datasheet of the Ecoflow PowerOcean hybrid inverter, we need to write down the minimum MPPT voltage. For the 10,000 inverter, this is 200 volt. And the maximum MPPT voltage is 850 volt. On the datasheet of your solar panels, we first need to write down the voltage open circuit VOC. In our example, we use 41.37 volt. First of, we're going to calculate the minimum amount of solar panels for the inverter to start working. Because when the voltage is lower than the minimum MPPT voltage the inverter needs, it will just stay idle. To make sure the inverter starts working on an optimal level, it is best to increase the minimum MPPT voltage for calculating to around 320 volt. In this way, we get the best performance out of the system, no matter if it is early in the morning or late afternoon. To calculate the minimal amount of solar panels needed, we divide the minimal MPPT voltage against the panel's open volt circuit. This will be 320 divided by 41.37 is 7.73. Now we can round this up to 8 panels. This value is per MPPT. Because the Ecoflow PowerOcean has 2 MPPT, we can have 8 panels in series per MPPT. Now we're going to calculate the maximum amount of solar panels we can connect to the system per MPPT. For this, we look at the datasheet of the PowerOcean and use the maximum MPPT voltage. Be aware to never exceed the maximum MPPT voltage because this will damage your inverter. To calculate the maximum amount of solar panels needed, we divide the maximum MPPT voltage against the panel's open volt circuit. This will be 850 divided by 41.37 is 20.546. Please remember to never round this amount upward. So we can have a maximum amount of 20 panels in series per MPPT. For colder temperature climates, we need to reduce the maximum amount of 20 solar panels to stay safe. In extreme cold environments like we have in Sweden, we need to use the temperature coefficient of the solar cell. We can use this value to provide the output of the solar cell on a given temperature. On the datasheet of the panels, you can search for the STC or NOTC value. We then need to find the extreme minimum temperature of your area. To determine the maximum amount of solar panels in colder climates, we use the following calculation. Panel VOC plus minimal temperature plus panel NOCT times temperature coefficient times panel VOC divided by 100. Now we use the inverter's maximum MPPT voltage divided by the new calculated panel VOC. This is 17.2271. So in above example, we are safe when we use 17 solar panels per MPPT in colder climate instead of the earlier calculated 20. Thank you for watching, and maybe till the next one.